me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah.
Jamaica social media kick up in a one God almighty frenzy. Cause the LGBT of Jamaica decide to host them pride party. Motor hype him texted on the female artist them like a any mama lashy. And for make matters worse, Curvy Diva got take off her panty. Ouch. You da feel say school a keep. The way them class the girl, then just take out her book and mark it up with bare dirty wrong bang. The things them what them talk about her, me can't even mention. Well, not gonna make FB black Zandramah for discrimination. The straight people them bash her. A bare dirty things them say. But in the ear say pride I keep. So straight people, what did I do over there? Straight people, why it's so hard for you to keep on the head straight? Every LGBT pan knock on a gather around, a sound easy for bait? Oh, on a bi curious, but it's not a straight event, so why not so furious? Okay, she need to set an example. Fair little daughter. But Jesus did come and set one example. How much I wanna follow? You want modesty? Well, here's my honesty. I only 4 years one man get free upon 12-year-old pitney with disability. I own no black no road bouty. So what the big bag of excitement for because Curvy Diva take off her panty? Look how much crusade keep. I don't wanna even attend one. But when you come condemn the girl, feel like a role play. Left you man! I fear her panty, I fear her frock. The summer turn up so she come out hot. A pride she go. I never spice water party, make the girl be free. If she did go at the Cool It edition, she'd a walk away with an AC. Every day the man them disgust me with them body crack and underpants are sure. So if you see a panty in the public space for a change, what's kinda different? God no. At least she take her fear her own and throw up on the selector board. Only remember in 2009, R. Kelly take theme and dash in the crowd. But what do I expect from these events though? Miracle? A church I keep? Dancehall is a place of slackness, a sudden space to do it. Keep yourself out of the kitchen if you know you can't manage heat. Turn your yard if you know a good for you. It not safe out the street. Nowadays the churches them have drama, dance and everything lock. You know Sister Spice perform now with sheet, ice and different kind of props. The thing gone to another level. And a whole time sinting again. So stop a wait down a hill bottom for nanny come blow a bang. Everybody a video. You don't have too much smartphone now. So hard when you don't buy no ticket. You don't complain about people show. If you still have a look a peanut phone them, you don't know how that would go. A critic cannot talk about the people in party. Them the show party phone no? Maybe gonna come go up here. Don't bother stop with Zandramah. Me not put jump no bandwagon and tear down Curvy Diva. No for you know burn her out. And you can't take her phone when no go out. You think I lie? You just shocked for see enough girl at the road and now wear no panty. If you don't grudge me for the life I live, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. It's Zandramah.